to announce our cabinet. As you are aware, we finished elections. We made many pledges on socio-economic fronts, and to achieve those pledges, it has become necessary that we form a new team geared to achieve our manifesto. Therefore, today, 11th of October 2022, I've nominated 10 members of my cabinet whom I will forward to the County Assembly for vetting and approval. After which is when I'll do formal appointments. Number 1, Finance, ICT, and Economic Planning, Emily Ongaga. Public Works, Roads and Transport, Jones Omwenga. Gender, Youth, Sports, Culture and Social Services, Dr. Grace Nyamongo. Environment, Water, Mining, Natural Resources, John Matiangi. Public Service Management, Dr. Chofrey Murara Nyakoe. Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries, Aris Manoti. Health Services, Dr. Timothy Ombati Mokoa. Trade, Tourism, Industry and Cooperative Development, Bernard Maina. Lands, Housing and Fiscal Planning, Mr. Stephen Oboso. Education and Vocational Training, Mr. Kenneth Angwenyi. Lands, Housing and Urban Development, Josephat Gori. Environment, Water and Natural Resources, Joshua Marwanga. Finance and Accounting Services, Dominic Barare. Public Works, Roads and Transport, Josephat Oruru. Crop Production, Mwenja Nyasimi. Andrew, Trade, Tourism and Corporate Development, Andrew Ongere. Public Service Management, PSM, Ride Momanyi. Economic Planning, Resource Mobilization and ICT, Asenath Kenyanya. Education and Vocational Training, Mercy Motanya. Primary Healthcare, Mwenga Momanyi. Gender, Youth and Social Services, Spora Orina. I've left focus about the position of medical services, which I think would be advertised because I didn't get the right person. So there's one missing. To make 13, this one will be re-advertised.